What's going on, techs, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're here in the New Bedford Training Center and we're going to take a look at an F13 error code today on Tech Tips. So the first and most important piece of equipment you're going to need is a multimeter to be able to check voltage. Now, you've probably got power at the unit if you're seeing an error code, but let's just go ahead and confirm anyway. So inside the cabinet, you're going to notice that we have two voltage inputs, one at the top and one at the bottom. This one at the top with the green, black, and white is going to be our high voltage input. So just to confirm, we can take our lead and place it on the black wire and then ground off the other side to see that we do in fact have 120 volts at our motor. The second thing we can do is actually unplug while energized this low voltage input, and what we should see is the fan should take off running. Just like that. Now what this confirms is that the fan is actually functioning with just 120 volt input and no control voltage. That means our fan is not seized, and one way to confirm that our fan should be in good shape. The second thing that we're going to do is we're actually going to test our low voltage input to make sure that the voltage is correct coming from the control board. So what we're going to do to test our low voltage is once again disconnect our low voltage input while the fan is energized, and we're going to set our fan to volts DC. Then we're going to test between the blue and the red wire here, and we should see somewhere around 34, 36 volts. That means that our voltage output is correct from the control board. So essentially, when we're testing our low voltage, we want to see somewhere between 34 and 36. That is usual normal operation, but we can be anywhere between 24 and 42 volts. So now that we know what optimal running conditions look like, we know how to diagnose the unit. So if the fan is energized and we disengage this low voltage input and the fan doesn't move at all, it's a good chance you've got a seized fan. Similarly, if you disengage the low voltage input, test it, and you've got low voltage or very high voltage coming out of the board, it's a really good chance you've got a bad control board there. Be sure to check if the unit's under warranty before giving us a call and trying to get parts for the unit, and make sure to reference the back of the manual for the necessary part numbers. So follow these quick and easy steps and you'll be diagnosing the F13 in no time and get your customer back up and running. But if you get stuck, don't be afraid to give us a holler here and we'll help you along. Thanks a lot.